not him.
You hit Mom!
Is that normal?
Little circle. I can't. Talk about your apron.
Apron made by sister. Not this one. Other sister. Yay!
We are A&C with a twist. Today we are making Puerto Rican Quesitos. And that is... What is that, Angela? It's Puerto Rican cheese-filled puff pastry. And we're going to be using store-bought puff pastry sheets. So you can just buy this at the store if you're able to. I don't know. Okay. Let's start baking.
Our ingredients today are cream cheese,
Puff pastry sheets,
corn syrup,
1 large egg,
and sugar!
Okay, time to bake. Let's go. I can't.
You can't do it.
Okay, first up, we make an egg wash.
No, I don't know what it is.
Me either. An egg yolk and water. So we need
1 egg.
We need a bowl.
That's 2.
So we need 1 egg, but we're only using the egg yolk. So only the yellow little circle in it.
Yes!
And then 1 tablespoon of cold water. And you mix it up. And then you use a brush to apply it to things. It's super cool.
Yeah.
Egg yolk. 1 tablespoon. Now you mix it up. Yeah,
Now you
buddy.
mix it up.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
Mix it until there's no clumps of egg yolk in it. Now we can set that aside. We're gonna open our puff pastry sheets.
Puff pastry.
That didn't work out right.
Gotta open that a different way.
And that's all. I'm just kidding.
Maybe if the bag open.
Okay. That's weird.
Mommy.
Mommy, what is this?
Mommy.
Open it. Just take it out.
No, I'm not touching this.
Is that normal?
Yeah. Okay.
I touched the nasty thing.
We need a rolling pin. And
Oh!
you know what else we need? Special cutter.
Mommy, is that normal?
Delicious.
We need a ruler. There's so many layers to this thing. I'm so confused. Dude.
Can you believe it?
We need to measure these, and we're going to make little strips of puff. Can you move your elbow? Little strips of puff pastry that are 4 inches wide and then 7 inches long. Oh, we're supposed to put it on a floured surface.
Now you tell me that?
Flour.
Wow. Bro, I'm a pro. Look at this. What's your question to the video?
What are you doing in your quarantine?
Question of the day.
What are you doing to have fun in your quarantine?
What are you doing to keep you busy? Maybe.
This is my beautiful picture that I've done. Look at it.
I painted a love. I made a SpongeBob cake. And have fun.
And subscribe to this channel because we are
Like and share.
awesome. Yeah, like this video, share with your friends and family.
Ooh.
Boom, 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 boom. And if you want, you can make your own puff pastry dough.
She will link a recipe of puff pastry if you want to make it down in the description box
Yeah,
below.
and I'll also link the recipe for the quesitos in the description box.
Yes.
So go check it out and subscribe.
And like and share and
Try one of these recipes at home when you're bored.
And comment what else you guys want us to make.
Yes, we are using a ruler because
You know
it's
what?
necessary.
We do not know what is 4 inches and what is 7 inches.
Without a roller. Like, find out how many centimeters.
Aren't an inch.
Yeah. Find that out and put the answer right there. I think it's right here. Right there. No, it's here. Yeah,
It's right there.
there.
Ah!
Yeah, because we want to know.
Yeah.
It's not like we have a ruler in front of us.
Yes, we will come back when we're done. Ready?
Not with the whole thing, but when we're done sectioning
yeah.
the
Ready?
pastry. We're trying to make a transition here. There we go. Hopefully that worked. We have sectioned out the dough. We only had enough dough to make 1, 2, 3, 4,
7.
5, 6, 7.
Cream cheese.
I think so. Okay, so we get some cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
We're gonna do something.
We're gonna do something.
You know what that something is?
You know what the thing is?
No, you don't.
No, you don't. Because we haven't told you yet.
Okay, so we take the cream cheese and we're going to cut it into strips. Whoa. Strips like this. Then you're gonna cut them in half, like here. So we have the cream cheese.
We have the cream cheese.
Yeah, bud.
Yeah, bud.
And we're gonna put 1 cream cheese block in each pastry, all the way on the left side. We're gonna
Let's put gloves on. I do. Me not like cream cheese. How about you?
Now we're gonna take our sugar. So we need half a teaspoon. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take half a teaspoon of sugar and we're going to put it right next to the cream cheese on the right side. While she's doing that, I'm gonna get a pan with parchment paper ready. It is finally time to form the actual quesitos. So we need egg wash. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the egg wash and we're gonna brush it across the top and the bottom.
Ooh.
And then we're gonna use that to fold it over and stick
Fold
onto
it over to stick onto
the cream cheese.
the cream cheese.
Sorry.
You hit my arm.
You touched cream. She's okay. She touched cream cheese. Make sure to wash your hands while doing this. Wash your hands often.
Rude.
Now we need to take egg wash and we're going to brush it down on the right side of the pastry dough. And then we're going to roll it and then connect the sides.
I did it! Ah!
And we're going to put these onto a pan with parchment paper. Now we're going to brush the top of the quesitos
Brush it.
with a thin layer of egg wash.
Thin, very, very thin.
We're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Before we bake them, we're going to poke holes in them with a fork, which are going to act like vents. Whenever our oven is preheated, we're going to bake them for 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll be back.
Yes, we'll be back.
Alright, they are done cooking, baking, yeah. We are making a sugar glaze, and we need to go on the stove. So first, we're just going to put it on low. The first thing we're going to put in here is half a cup of light corn syrup. Next, we put in 1/4 cup of sugar. And then we need 1/4 cup of cold water. And we're going to mix it until the sugar is completely dissolved. Okay, next we're going to put it to a boil for 1 minute. I'm gonna turn on the fan. Now we let that cool for a little bit. Once the quesitos have cooled for about 5 minutes, we're gonna put the glaze on. So we're gonna brush 1 to 2 layers on top of all of them. Okay, we're going to let them cool, and then we're going to serve them to our parents to try.
Yay.
So, we'll be back whenever they're ready. Time for a taste test.
They look pretty. Look like the quesitos in Puerto Rico. Oh, I can hear it crunchy.
Oh my god. That is pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
Mm-hmm. Bring me memories. Bring back memories.
Yay! We did it, Angela. That was our quesitos with a
twist.
Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe and like and,
And
share
share.
the video. Bye.